So this is the Jamaican kinky. Dokuno, this is how it looks like.
Dukuno.
We say dokuno.
Okay.
Oh, dokuno. Wow. So you just eat like that without anything, no sauce, no pepper, nothing. Nothing.
Wagwan, my brethren and my sister and everything I read. This is work. Okay, we Sindaco and I'm back again. So I'm in Jamaica to trace roots, connect dots, and also try some of the local food for the Maroon people.
Is that how you do it? Is that how you do it?
And I've been hearing that Jamaicans also have our Ghanaian local food called dokuno. So we're heading to St. Thomas to meet Madam Joycelyn, who will show us how this Jamaican dokuno is prepared. This food is also known as Thai leaf or blue draw in Jamaica. So we went to Coronation Market, Jamaica's biggest street market in Kingston, to get some ingredients for the preparation of the dokuno. And the list of the ingredients was really amazing. We got some red potatoes, some coconuts, some cocoyam. Man, really interesting, Ankasa. So hope you like this video. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother, make sure you subscribe. Okay, we Sindaco. Let's do this. Record.
My level, no, me not afraid of God.
Real downtown. Yeah, the real downtown.
A small piece of this and
Yeah, okay.
this is the inside of the original market. That's on the outside. This is on the inside. Everybody owns a different piece of flour.
Oh, okay. I can't watch it.
Afraid people, me accept my level. No, me not afraid of God. No, sell me soul to no devil. Well, I ain't say no one.
Unsanitizer, fifth on the sanitizer.
He will hold one and despise the other. You can.
Oh, now we are in St. Thomas, and I'm here with Mr. Smith. Mama, good afternoon or good morning. Is it morning? Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. Sorry, man. From Ghana.
From Ghana.
From Ghana, yeah. Sorry, my left hand, sorry.
Yes, yes, that's all right. That's all right.
Yeah.
I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
Wow. So this is Mama Joycelyn in St. Thomas.
Yes,
yeah.
St. Thomas.
Yes, okay. And she'll be taking us through how to prepare the jack and what's it called again? Brujas. Yeah, the brujas and everything. So the brujas is dokuno, and they also call it dokuno over here in Jamaica. Man, hello, I'm
my
fine.
daughter.
Okay,
Patricia,
sorry, left side.
So she's gonna take us through as well.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I forget, I know supposed to talk right now. She have to take me through the program.
Okay.
Both of them.
Okay, so
Mother and daughter.
Okay, so I have the mother and daughter over here, and the father. So, like I linked up with him yesterday, and now I'm here with the family, and so I want to go down. Yeah. It is what it is.
Alright, yeah.
Man,
so we get started.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
Tradition goes on. We light a fire over here. So this is Checo, the dried trees. Yeah. We do the same thing in Africa, in Ghana also.
Okay.
So light a fire.
Yes.
The same thing with the fun.
Yes.
This one over here is my auntie. She's my auntie. Yeah, an escaped auntie. I've just found my escaped auntie. Yeah.
All right.
Wow. Interesting.
We're lighting the coal fire.
Yeah. Lighting the coal fire. How do you say that?
Coal fire.
Lighting the coal fire.
Coal stove.
Yeah, coal stove.
This is the coal stove.
Yeah.
But they have the other one that you put on legs.
Yeah, the legs.
Like that, what they do the grill on.
Oh, okay.
Peeling the potatoes.
Yeah,
to make the blue jars.
Okay, you potatoes for the blue jars.
Yeah.
Okay, dokuno. I just said dokuno. Say it again.
Dukuno.
Dokuno.
Dukuno.
Dokuno.
Do. Not do. Dukuno.
We say dokuno.
Okay.
Oh.
Dokuno. Yeah.
Blue jars, dukuno, Thai leaf, boyo.
Okay.
That's all the names that we give you.
Oh, okay. Over here they have the same kind of food, but they use red potatoes to help do it. Yeah. So this is the process of how they grate the potatoes. So will you use corn flour also? Cornmeal?
Yeah.
Okay. So
sugar and flour.
Okay.
Coconut.
And coconut. Oh, So with their kenke, they use coconuts and the sugar. So I think if I'm not wrong, it should be like the sweet kenke, with the sugar. So they have coconuts and sugar, corn flour, and the potatoes to make the dokuno. Interesting. Jamaican version. Wow. Cocoa yam. But they call it cocoa.
Yeah, cocoa.
Yeah, cocoa yam. Again, so they have cocoa yam inside the dokuno as well to prepare the brew jar. Wow. And over there is the banana leaves. That's what we're using to wrap the kenke, just like Ghana. Man, as you can see, the surroundings, everything tells you that I'm right home. I'm at home. Yeah.
Hotter than the equator. You keep the faith, yeah.
Old country girl.
All country girl. Old.
Yes.
Old country girl.
Old country.
Oh, okay. Why old country girl?
Eh?
Why old country girl?
Yeah.
Why?
So we come from country.
What?
We come from country. In the bushes.
Oh, the bush. Yeah. What
We
country?
say in the city.
Yeah.
We say in the country.
Oh, okay. Okay. Like the village, not a village.
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 Right.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Right.
Man, this patois over here. Is it patois? Is this patois? No. They're killing me with this
Old
patois.
country girl.
Country. Okay. Old village girl.
Yes.
Okay. And I understand. Okay. Wow.
Old country girl a greater potato.
Yes, I.
No, me not afraid of war.
So now we have our potatoes and the cocoa yam grated. So now the brew jar is about to start. So with the coconut, we're gonna use blender to blend it.
Yeah.
So before we start everything, we have this banana leaf that we have to give the heat a bit to soften it and also to kill the germs and the bacteria.
And serve God and serve money, you know. I know that the Lord will maintain the cause of the afflicted and justice for the poor. For you have been a defense for the helpless and a defense for the needy.
So this is for the brew jar.
Right. This is the water.
What is this?
Cinnamon stick.
Okay, cinnamon stick. Okay.
Cinnamon leaf or stick, you put it in there
Okay.
to keep it seasoning.
Okay.
And this is some salt.
Okay.
If you don't put the salt in it, when it's cooking and the water gets anywhere through the leaf, it gets fresh
Okay.
in it. But
Okay.
if you put the salt, it preserves the sweetness.
Wow.
Sell my soul to the devil. I'm not afraid to be poor.
Wow.
And leave that to boil.
Wow. So how long does it take to boil? 2 hours, 3 hours?
As potato cook. No man.
No, less. Okay.
Less
Okay.
man.
Okay.
Put half an hour.
Okay. 30 minutes. Okay.
This is a potato.
In the Putin, pile in the sun, much of
This is vanilla. A little salt to taste. Cinnamon.
Okay.
Ground cinnamon.
Yeah. So all these spices to make the flavor.
Right.
Yeah. So you have the cinnamon and the salt and the vanilla.
Bit vanilla.
Coconut milk will come very soon, and all this will make that flavor.
Nutmeg.
Nut milk, okay. So we get a bit of nut milk.
Yes.
the boy. DJ nature, Africa.
This flour to mix.
Okay. So we're adding flour to the potatoes and cocoa yam.
And a little meal.
So we have meal over here. This is like semolina.
Just a little bit
Yeah.
of
And the sugar, the brown sugar. We have brown sugar here. We're now adding coconut milk.
coconut milk.
Yeah.
The one that you blend.
The blend, yeah. So coconut milk, sieved. We have corn flour, brown sugar, and the milk.
Nutmeg.
Inside this.
Little salt to taste.
Is a keep a brother in the mud. Selling your soul, sign your name in the blood.
And all this in one pot gonna give a serious flavor, no?
Yes, the coconut milk.
Yeah, I love coconut.
Yes.
Me still a yell conquering lion. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor.
Can't make it too water because it has to go in the leaf.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have to mix this thing together and
Yes,
you wrap it with the leaf.
In the leaf.
Yeah.
White leaf.
Now sell my soul to no devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky 2-piece. Drive new Jeep and a ton.
Over there you have our boiling water, which is boiling.
Yes.
And
To put them in. Cinnamon in there.
cinnamon,
and
yeah,
salt.
with the salt inside. Everything mixed together nicely.
Yes.
As you can see, yeah. Very thick. And it's stretchy as well.
So when if you are doing pudding, you use the same thing.
Okay.
But you let it a little water.
Oh, okay.
Because it will be on the fire. We get 3 stones or 3 blocks and put it on in one bigger than this I have in there.
Oh, okay.
And make it watery more.
Okay.
Spread it out and get a zinc and put on top of it.
Okay.
And put fire on the top. And then you burn, put
Under.
some coal under it.
Okay.
For the needy in distress, for the love of money is the root of all sorts of evil, and somebody longing for it have wandered away from the faith and pierced himself with many spears.
Pull out the amount that you want, how big you want it is.
Okay.
I prefer put a spoonful. It cook quicker,
Okay.
easier.
I want it small.
When you fold it like this, and then you're going to fold back this over,
Okay.
and then you're going to bring up this,
Okay.
and bring down this,
Then you tie it.
and then you tie it.
Okay.
Me accept my level.
So this is Jamaican kenke. Dokuno. So this is the brew jar, right? Yeah.
So you put it in the pot now.
Inside that.
Yes, in the hot water.
So it goes in like that.
The water to be boiling up.
Yeah. So this is how they do, or they wrap brew jars. Yeah. The Jamaican version of dukuno. They call it dukuno.
Yeah.
Tie leaf.
Thai leaf. Okay. Thai leaf. So the Thai leaf. Okay. You said they don't like, most people doesn't do this often, right?
No, most people they bake.
They bake it.
Bake it.
And they don't boil it.
Not boil it that much.
No. Okay.
Not that much.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so basically you be wrapping them like this until everything is finished inside the pan. Then as you wrap, you put inside the hot water to boil it. So for how long does it take? Say 30 minutes, right?
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes and it's be ready. Yeah.
Because potato is easy to cook.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, you try and give me Kali.
Okay.
Me tie and give you.
Wipe and give me just one.
Yeah.
Just one spoon.
Let me try this.
Alright.
Okay. Like this?
Yes.
Hello? Like this.
Yeah.
Then you flip it like this.
Yes. And down.
You flip like that.
Right.
Right. It is what it is. It's going to be like that.
You got it.
Then I make the tie over here. Make a first 10. So it means like you need 2 people to do, or one person can do it?
No, one person.
Okay.
You can sell it.
So this is the lift tie.
That is your hand.
Yeah, this is my own. Yeah.
I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. No, sell my soul to no devil.
Yeah, this is how it looks like when it's done. So we take it and let it cool down, and cut the tie or the rope.
No, sell my soul to no devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky 2-piece. Drive new Jeep and a ton brute piece. Whatever you sow, then I eat you reap. Weep you a weep as you're in too deep. Why you want to walk?
So this is the Jamaican kinky. Dokuno, this is how it looks like. Wow. So you just eat like that without anything, no sauce, no pepper, nothing. Nothing. Wow. Over here, this kenke is being ate like that. I don't want anything to it because there was sugar. Sugar was added to it. This is how it looks like. Okay. It's more like a abodo. You have this in Ghana. Okay. Man, it tastes like abodo. I don't know the name. But we have a product in Ghana. It tastes is that the same. We call it abodo. Yeah, they bake that one also. They bake it. They also wrap it in the leaf. Aboyo. You call it aboyo? Man, this is crazy. Yeah, because it tastes the same, but the other one, we bake it. Man, this tastes like abodo. Wow. 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 Yeah, so this is how the dokuno of the brew jar tastes like, and that's how it looks like. Yeah. It's sweet inside, so we just eat it like that. Yeah, Jamaican version. Nice. So is this an everyday food as well? No. This is not everyday food? No. Occasionally or weekends, once in a while? Okay. Yeah, so that's for today, St. Thomas, and this is abodo or brew jars from Jamaica. Yeah, so tell a friend, tell a brother, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn notification bell so you'll be notified when new video drops. I'm still in Jamaica, yeah, discovering more food. It is what it is. For Shazam and Nizzle, I'm out.